be jumping on the coastal drive.
Yeah. Klamath Beach Road. There's the Klamath River. I think we're saying that correctly. Like mist up there, cloud, foggy. Huh. We'll see when we get up there. Okay, just turned on the Coastal Drive loop. That's it.
That way?
Does it say up there, Coastal Drive North? Okay, look at the, yeah, look at that haze, fog.
Locked gate ahead, it says that way.
Okay, which way are we going?
This way.
Oh,
That sign says locked gate ahead.
oh, okay. Alright, so this is the way we're going.
Oof.
Into the fog. Man, look at that. It comes one way on the right, going right up here.
Yep, that's one of the overlooks.
Okay.
But we'll go this way for now.
Yeah, look how foggy it is. Switch over to the phone for a moment, just to better quality, I think. Whale watching. Your chances of spotting whales are good from November to April. That'd be now then. Scan the ocean surface carefully from the surf to a half-mile out. Binoculars will help. Watch for small vapor puffs, big splash, tail flukes, and dark whale heads above the water. Although whale watching takes a bit of patience, the thrill of spotting them is worth it. Okay, gray whales make an 11,000-mile round trip each year from March waters to the warm lagoons of Baja California, where they breed and bear calves. While they only travel about 3 miles per hour, giving us an opportunity to observe them from these high overlooks. Okay. We will make sulfur dice. Okay. Alright, so okay. Yeah. Oh. Alright. Looking for whales. How about it? Looks like that's not going to happen today. We got a heavy fog. Oh man, why did it have to be like this right now? But we're at a place where, you know, like we saw that sign that says you can see whales out there. It was the right time of year for it too, for us. January, from November to April, they said. So we're within the window, but they also said that the visitor center you could see seals. Look for them too, but that's not going to happen from this location. Not today. Oh, bummer. I switched over to my phone. I can see the beach down there, not very far in, but trying to see if there's any seals within sight, and I haven't been able to see any. I was using my binoculars looking down there, but just basically see just rocks. As far as I know, they're rocks. I was hoping some of those would have been seals, but now that they were focusing on the beach back behind the branches, I was hoping some of those would have been seals under there, but yeah, I won't focus on the beach because of the trees in the way. No, man, that would have been good if you'd been able to see them. But yeah, maybe you can walk down there to get a clearer look. Okay, we moved down from there. Got a little cemetery here, and we have that Klamath River that comes flowing into the ocean here. And my brother did hear a seal over that direction, so they are over there. Let's head back up here and maybe we'll get lucky. Okay, we came from that direction. We drove a little bit further down, got kind of like a little parking here. I imagine this is the river flowing in here. I don't know. I go down, walk down this way. I'm going to take a look down here at least. I can see people walk down there. Step down. Oh. There we go. I'm down. See what it looks like right here. Yeah, this is where the river would be flows in here. And the ocean is that way. I'll walk down there. This came from that direction. I stepped up off the beach. Got a trail here. There's the parking area over there where we were. Got a trail here. A path, I should say. Even a picnic table up there. Some structures here. Huh. Okay, just came from that direction down the trail further, and I can see seals out there. Through my binoculars I looked. Now let's hope the phone can pick it up. Let's see if I can see them. Come on, where are they? Okay, there we go. Probably have a difficulty. Come on, focus. Well, those are the seals. Okay, there we go. So that's as far as I'm going to be able to zoom in without it, the focus getting all screwed up. Well, there's the seals. Yeah. Pretty good number of them. Yeah, there's one moving right there. His head and then his flipper up. Oh, it's my first time seeing wild seals. You know, out in nature. There we go. Okay, I just got a text from my brother. I'm gonna have to tell him where I am. Came back down onto the beach, onto the sands. And there's the seals right on the other side of the water there. Okay, I'm gonna go out a little bit. There we go. There's our seals. Doing what seals do best, just lay there. Yeah, most of them right over here. There's my brother there coming. Ah, yes, it cleared off enough down here where we are able to see them really good now. It's worth the time to come down here and walk just a little ways to see our seal. I might be able to zoom in even more now. Well, not quite yet. Right there, we're good. There we go. I'm going to try a selfie in mode and see him back there. No, really can't see him back there like that. Oh, there they are.
Yeah.
Look at them one more time.
I saw them, but thought they were rocks.
Huh?
I thought they were rocks.
Well, there we go. Seals.
There's the surf.
Yeah. Surf coming in from the ocean over there. Yeah, that's what it looks like right around here. We parked down there. Okay, one more clip. I see a movement around over there, hopping, sliding on the belly. There's one there. Okay. I'm going to take one more look at them, and I believe, I'm thinking they're actually sea lions, you think?
Could be.
I'm kind of thinking they're not seals, but sea lions. There might be some seals in there too, I don't know. Now it's kind of gotten clearer, I can kind of see a little bit better. But still. Come on, focus there. Oh, yeah, I'm sliding along. Okay. Okay, now I'm done. Yeah, pretty cool. Got to see some seals or sea lion, whichever they were. I'm not sure. Well, that was pretty cool. Now we don't know what we're going to do. That was the last. This was the last thing we had planned for here. So we'll have to see what happens next. So talk to you later.